Guys, I'm in my zippy jammies right now, so you know it's gonna be a good one. We're actually here, and like I don't know where we are right now, but
We're in Mishawaka.
we're in Mishawaka, and we're waiting for the holiday train. In fact, it's coming. The railroad crossing's down, and watch for yourself if you're not here currently watching this. This is a good substitute, I hope. You don't have to cover my ears.
Okay. The holiday train!